I got the old CNC machine to cut some holes in some circuit boards. I built this a few years back from scrap and eBay, stepper motors and a Dremel. All that good stuff. So, old Toshiba running turbo CNC. Power supply, Xylotex. Anyway, I'm gonna cut right here. Looks like it worked okay. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's not too bad for Harbor Freight cross vise and some steppers.